met Mr. Jayanta Kumar Patra. So, can you briefly tell us about the history of this plant?
This company is situated in the year 1944 as Tractors India Limited as a caterpillar distributor. And after that in the year 1960, the coal screen India formed. That time we have started the manufacturing of the mobile cranes, and our first crane launched in the year 1962. India's first mobile crane dispatched from this plant in the year 1962, and after that it becomes the Indian Crane Company. Then the Tractors India and the Indian Crane Company becomes merged, and then it was Tractors TIL Limited in the year 1985. And in the year 1988, we have made the first RT cranes, Raptor and crane. And since then, we are manufacturing the mobile cranes. And in the year 2007, we have completed 5,000 cranes from this
Nice.
factory.
Very nice.
So, this is the brief continuation of this factory.
And so, what is the significance of this crane? Because I think these kind of cranes in 1962, TIL has created for the first time.
Yes.
So, do you have any special feeling around this crane?
Basically, this crane is a diesel electric crane. Right now, we are producing diesel hydraulic cranes. So that time, this crane was much popular, as I understand, and we have made a lot of cranes in this model. So currently, this model is not in the production range. So obviously, this is our the old product, the first product. So obviously, we are very proud of this product.